Hello, introducing the Mobile PiXels 1091003P01 Tetra Split keyboard with touchscreen. This sleek keyboard is designed for ultimate typing comfort and efficiency. Perfect for both work and play. With its modular design, you can easily arrange it into various configurations like split, splice, stacked, or for gaming setups. The ergonomic key design features adjustable tilt and angle to keep your natural posture in check. What really sets this keyboard apart is the 8-inch touch LCD screen that's compatible with both Windows and Mac. It's ideal for keeping frequently used apps like calendars, music players, chat messages, or notes right at hand without cluttering your main interface. The cherry on top, its programmable hotkeys, backlit keys, and underglow provide enhanced usability and a cool aesthetic performance UIs. It boasts 3mm key travel with combined latency of 10 ms to 15 ms, ensuring smooth typing experience what you need when you need it. Available at beaconhouseware.com.